In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete GitHub repository fast. But before continuing, if this video does help you out, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel, because I make new videos every single week. Alright, let's continue. So once you open up GitHub, head over to the left side, and under top repositories, it's going to show you all the repositories that you've created before. So you're going to select one, then go to the top and choose the settings tab. And make sure that you're in the general area. So scroll all the way down until you see this danger zone area. And what we're looking for is delete this repository. Select it. And then it's going to say delete this specific repository. Go to the bottom and choose yes, I want to delete this repository. And it gives you a warning saying unexpected bad things will happen if you don't read this. This will permanently delete this repository and other things. So then choose I've read and understand these effects. Then you have to type in your GitHub name, username, / your repository name to confirm. Then once you're ready, choose delete this repository. And it'll say that your repository was successfully deleted. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.